Hey there everyone. Let's create procedural clouds in Blender. Open Blender. Scale the cube and add Principal Volume node, Mix Shader node, Color Ramp node, and Noise Texture node in the shader editor. Connect the Noise Texture node factor to the Color Ramp factor, and the Color Ramp's color node to the factor of the Mix Shader. Now connect the Principal Volume node to the Mix Shader, and add Transparent Shader node, and connect it to the Mix Shader. Now turn on Ambient Occlusion, Bloom, Screen Space Reflection, and change the volumetric tile size to 4 pixels. Also turn on Volumetric Shadows. Add a light in the scene. And change the color ramp value to get cloud-like structure in the scene. Also add an environment texture to the world shader. Also turn on transparent background from the film option. Also increase the density of the Principal Volume node. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, consider subscribing. And hit the bell icon for the latest videos. Change the color of the lights, and adjust the position, and add some more lights in the scene. For more detailing, add color ramp and a gradient texture node, and connect the color ramp to the color of the Principal Volume. Also increase the density of the Principal Volume node. Again, adjust the position and rotation of the lights in the scene. Tweak some value to get a better result and hit render.